Hindi na lang basta aktor ngayon si Sian Lim. Isa na siyang commercial pilot. Ito nga ang ibinida ng aktor sa kanyang post kahapon, CPL. Commercial pilot license. I still can't believe it. Ang bilis ng mga pangyayari. This journey has truly been life-changing and I'm filled with gratitude. Hindi ako makapaniwala sa bilis ng mga pangyayari, umpisa ng post niya. Doon ay pinasalamatan niya ang eskwelahan at kapitan na gumabay sa kanya. Tamay at Top Flight Academy family, thank you for believing in me and pushing me beyond what I thought was possible. Everything happened so fast, pero you were there to guide me every moment, every step of the way. Takap, at Chiclet.Pekson, thank you for your endless patience and dedication in guiding me sa flights. Every new maneuver, di ko talaga akalain na kakayanin ko pero you always pushed me na kakayanin. Susuka pero di susuko. Repetition, repetition, repetition. Aerobatic maneuvers next. Let's go. Takap, at Sol.Ang Glatko and all our flight instructors, maraming salamat na you always keep US students motivated. There is always something to look forward to. Even when things get rough, you make sure we keep the fire burning, pagpapatuloy ng post niya. Pinasalamatan din niya ang kanyang flymates na aniya ay, salamat ng marami for being there through every challenging maneuver, every bad flight, and every failed exam. Having the best support group na magsasabing, kaya iyan. Bawi sa susunod, Tara, review after class, Tara, balikan vegan, Tara, pag-usapan natin yan, makes all the difference in the world and an experience like no other. Bakit ba ang haba ng caption? Lol, masaya lang. Kakatapos lang ng check ride and adrenaline is still high. Nagkape pa ako. Kaya nga CPL, Coffee Poured License. Whaley, more ratings, more aircrafts, more challenges to come. Let this be a reminder to myself and to anyone reading this, chasing a dream, that nothing is impossible if you have the heart, the passion, and the right people around you. No matter how loud the world gets, sometimes all you need is one person, one crew, to tell you, you've got what it takes. To everyone who has been following my aviation journey, maraming salamat. Anong airline kaya si Sian maha-hire or baka naman mga private flight siya magpiloto? Pero ang isang sure, may career pa rin siya kahit na mawalan siya ng mga proyekto bilang actor at director. Pangarap din ni Alden Richards na maging piloto at inaabangan ng kanyang fans kung kailan din siya magkakaroon ng license tulad ni Sian.